Today I'm going to be changing out the spark plugs on the Taurus, and when I went to AutoZone to get the spark plugs, the person asked me if I need anti-seize, and I tried to explain to them that I don't, and I figured I'd make a video on it because I bet you 99% of everyone doesn't know about this. So when you need, and the only reason why you would need anti-seize is for it not to seize up, correct? Now, the only ones that you need anti-seize for is the one that doesn't have this coating on it. They specifically made this coating on spark plugs so they don't seize up. And for another reason not to use anti-seize when using these types of spark plugs, there's two types of spark plugs. This type and the black type. The ones that are black does not have this coating on there, so you use anti-seize with those. The one that has coating like this, you don't. For another reason, if you use anti-seize when you're torquing them down, you can either A, torque them too much or not enough. So it's going to throw the torque off when you're trying to do that. That's another reason why I know NGK definitely recommends you not to use anti-seize on their spark plugs for that reason. So I figured I'd make a video on this and yeah, just talk about it a little bit. And if you guys do know about that, or just comment down below what you guys think. And yeah, they were totally blown away how AutoZone. They didn't know what I was talking about at all. So hopefully you guys can spread the word. And if you didn't know it, now you learned something. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new.